So we're going to change the battery on the X7, hopefully. There's a few trims need to come out to get access to this. So the battery is located in here. So we need to take the boot line on it. So as you can see, there's these wee plastic rivets. You need to pop them out. There's 7 rivets need to come out, which are located 1 here, 1, 2, 3, and then on the other side it's the same 1, 2, 3. And we can lift these trays out. And there you go, 1 boot line. This bracket is held in with 2 10mm bolts. The battery itself is a 10mm bolt, so take off your negative wire first. There's a 13mm bolt down the side of the battery, and that holds another bracket for the battery to be secure. Your other bracket, that's a 13mm, and then there's like a wee breather on the right hand side here. It just needs to pop out like that. And then you lift the battery out, which is reasonably heavy. Slide the new battery in. Get our bracket back on. So now it should just be the reverse. Battery bracket back in. Don't forget to push your wee breather back in as well. Set them down. We can put the bracket back in place. That's the bracket tightens us the battery secure. On the X7 there's no bracket on the right hand side. There's a bracket that's built into the chassis, and that holds it in position. So you just slide it into that. And we'll pop the old cap off, and then the other plastic cap. Put our live back on. And tighten that up. And tighten it up. Is that nice and tight? That should be it. Lighter back on the Jeep. Let us see if everything starts with no warnings. With no warning lights on. Tailgate open. Let's go to home. Car. Vehicle status. So 4 control messages. Door open, tailgate open, set time and gate. That's because we've reset the car with the battery being disconnected. Tailgate open. So nothing there at all. That's all pretty good. And then it's just a reverse now again. Throw this rubbish away. Slide the boot liner back in. Put your wee rivets back in there. And just your 2 side trims. In here, clip on in. This one goes on this side. So one very important thing you need to do is register your new battery. So click features in the bottom right and then scroll down to battery. And in this section you need to select if it's the same battery and same power outage. Just click register a new battery or the same battery, and if it's not, you need to register a new battery type, and that's going to tell the car that you've fitted a new battery. So don't forget to do that. So there you go. That's how you replace your battery in a BMW X7, and it's probably the same in an X5. If you have any questions, drop me a comment, and as always, like and subscribe.